In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to understand complicated pictures with Google Gemini AI. By the end, you'll be able to feed a complex image into Gemini and get a clear, structured explanation that feels like a helpful teacher walking you through it step by step. First, open Gemini. You can use the web version in your browser or the app if you have it installed. The goal here is simply to get to a fresh chat so you can share an image and ask a focused question. Take a moment to make sure you're on a clean conversation page so the response is tailored to this one task. Next, click the plus icon. This is the button that lets you add content to the chat. Depending on your device, it may appear at the bottom of the screen or near the message box. When you click it, you'll see options to upload or attach files. That's exactly what we want, because Gemini can look at an image and reason about what it contains. Now, locate the complicated image you want Gemini to analyze. Choose a clear, high-resolution version if you can. The better the image quality, the more detail Gemini can pick up, whether that's small labels, intricate diagrams, or busy scenes. If there's anything sensitive in the picture, consider cropping it out before uploading. Once you've selected the file, confirm the upload so the image appears in your chat window. With the image in place, enter your prompt regarding this picture. Here's a strong example you can paste directly. Study this complex image and explain it like a teacher explaining to a student. First, give a simple summary, then break the image into sections and explain each section clearly. This wording sets expectations for clarity and structure. If your image is about a particular topic, like a scientific diagram, a flowchart, or a historical map, you can mention that in your prompt to guide the explanation. You can also specify the level of detail you want, such as a beginner-friendly overview or a more advanced breakdown. Then wait patiently until it generates your prompts. Processing a busy image can take a moment. You'll see Gemini think, then produce a summary followed by a section-by-section explanation as requested. Give the response a careful read. The structured format should help you grasp the big picture first, then understand each part without getting overwhelmed. That's all you need. Open Gemini, click the plus icon, upload your complex image, type a clear instructional prompt, and wait for Gemini to deliver a teacher-style breakdown you can easily follow.